Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What was going on?
Algebra.
Algebraic expression.
Yes, sir.
We have started algebraic expression, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And already we have completed in previous classes. We came to know that how to add the given algebraic expression, and also we have studied that how to subtract the given algebraic expression. Yes, in two ways. First of all, if I'll meet you, all of you, then no one will be allowed to unmute. Yes, now. So it will be better mute by yourself, and we have to ask the question. Just unmute and ask the question. Yes. Okay. Algebraic expression. Let's take few questions. Subtraction also we have completed, na? Okay, one question I am going to write, and you have to simplify it. Simplify.
Sir,
Yes, Sakshi.
can you explain again?
What? Subtraction.
Yes, sir. Subtraction addition.
Again, I have to repeat. Okay, let's see now. But do the practice, na? As much as you will do the practice, you will able to get more things. But again, I'm going to start. Let's see. Add 3x square plus 2x minus 5 and 5x square plus 2x minus 7. है ना? Beta, first of all, we have to arrange the like term. We can do it by using two methods, by horizontal method or by arranging in column, that is column wise. Got it now? So let's see. First, write like this: 3x square plus 2x minus 5, right under the bracket, plus 5x square plus 2x minus 7. Understood? What I told, like term we have to write together first. So how we can write 3x square and the like term is 5x square. So we have to write together 5x square. Again plus, next 2x plus 2x. And the next is, this one is minus 5x, sorry, minus 5 and minus 7. So now what becomes 3x square and 5x square? It becomes 3 plus 5, that is 8x square plus 2x plus 2x.
4x.
X. Now plus minus minus plus. So number will be added at that this time, and but the sign will be minus.
Minus
Minus 12. So 8x square plus 4x plus minus
minus
12. That is the required answer. Understood?
सर we have to सर हम लोग इसको सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे.
No. Now what we will solve? We can't add, na. See, only we can add the like term. Do you know what is like term?
Yes, sir.
What is like term?
सर जो एक जैसा मिलता जुलता है.
Milta julta means what? Having same power, na? Having same power. If I write 8x square, 4x, 5x cube, 3x square. So what are the like term here? We can write 8x square and
3x square.
because see, the power are same. Yes, no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So these are the like term, and only we can add and we can subtract the like term. It doesn't mean that. What do you mean to say? Means you will write 8 plus 4, that is 12. Yes, if something is going on in your mind, then tell me. What do you want to write? 8 plus 4, that is 12.
No.
Better don't worry, just tell me. If it is going on in your mind, tell me.
No, sir.
But we can't write na, because 8x square and 4x, these are not the like term. Yes, we can add only if it will be like 4x square. Then now these two are the like terms. So 8 plus 4. At this time we can write, but your expression is only, your term is only 4x. Yes, na?
Yes.
So we can't subtract, we can't add the unlike term. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, how we can do the same question by using column wise method? That is column method. See, just write the like term under the, we have to arrange the like term under each other, na? See, 3x square plus 2x minus 5, and here it becomes 5x square plus 2x minus 7. Now simply we have to add the term, so minus minus plus becomes minus 12 plus 4x and 5 3 8x square. Understood? See the subtraction, how we can subtract the number, how we can subtract the algebraic expression. Subtract this from, so we have to subtract this from this. So first we will do by horizontal method. First we have to write this. So how we can write 5x square plus 2x minus 7. But I have told we have to write under the bracket. Now here the sign will be minus, because this time we have to subtract the expression. So it becomes minus 3x square plus 2x minus
2x 5.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to break the bracket now. So break the bracket, it becomes 5x square plus 2x minus 7. Now see, minus plus minus
Minus
3x square. Again see, minus plus
minus
2x, and this minus and minus, it becomes plus 5. Understood?
yes, sir.
Okay, now see, arrange the like term. Means we have to write the like term under the bracket. Means we have to arrange it together. It becomes 5x square. And here it is
3x square
3x square. Plus here it is 2x. And here
2x
it is minus
minus 2x.
Here it is, again write the plus, it is minus 7 plus 5.
5.
Now 5x minus 3, 5x square minus 3 x square, it becomes
2x square.
2x square
plus 2x minus 2x.
0. Next,
0.
0 multiplied by any number, anything, what becomes?
0.
0.
Good. Now minus plus.
minus
Minus.
So here it will be
minus
minus
what?
2
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Now bachcha 2x square 0 multiplied with any number anything it becomes 0, so no need to write this term. Now plus minus
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 minus, so this is the required answer. Understood?
yes sir.
no sir
No.
Last,
Yes sir.
last not understood. Last step.
Yes बच्चा.
Last.
प्रॉब्लम में पूछ सकते हैं.
Last this term.
Sir, in 2x square plus 0x square. Plus 0x.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
यहाँ क्या problem है? I told 0 multiplied by any number any 0,
Yes.
तो 0 हो गया, ये टर्म खत्म हो गया.
Sir.
ये टर्म है ही तो मैं क्यों लिखूं, ये 0 हो गया ना.
Yes, sir, understood.
अरे बच्चा, also we can write 2x square plus 0 minus 2. So 0 we need to write 0. No. The column method. Arrange the term as I have told you, like term under each other. So it becomes, but take care that be careful. First we have to write this because we have to subtract this from this expression.
Yes sir.
So 5x square plus 2x minus 7. Few students they are doing the same mistakes. They are writing here and they are subtracting this from this. So don't do the mistake. Now 3x square plus yes 5. Kusum Komal. Kusum.
yes sir
Beta, why background sound is coming from backside? बच्चा mute yourself. कुसुम
yes sir
आप ऑडियो म्यूट करो, आप तो वीडियोस बंद करके रखे हो, स्टॉप करके रखे हो. Okay, let's see. Now we need to change the sign. Change the sign means we have to write their opposite sign. Understood? So opposite sign, opposite of minus, it becomes
Yes.
plus. Opposite of plus,
Minus.
minus. And here,
Sir. Minus.
Minus.
now you can ask me, sir, why you have changed the sign?
Yes sir.
Let's see. We have to write, if you will do it by using horizontal method, you have to write like this: 2x minus 7 minus 3x square plus 2x minus 5. But when we are breaking the brackets, the sign will be changed, na? See?
Yes, sir.
Like we will break the bracket, it becomes minus 3x square plus minus minus.
Minus.
Now minus plus minus plus 5. That's why we used to change the sign first. And now we have to consider this sign.
Sir,
This,
sir
this
अगर माइनस के प्लेस में अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन रहेगा
तो नहीं रहेगा बच्चा वैसा. जब एडिशन की बात कर रहे हैं तो नहीं रहेगा ना वैसा कुछ. There are 4 fundamental signs: plus, minus, ये और क्या बोला था? Division.
डिवीजन.
है ना?
Yes.
Understood now? So what I have told, that terms are connected. See, only we have to do by using this. Now, right now, we will study that how to divide, how to multiply, how to divide the algebraic expression.
Yes.
है ना?
Sir. Yes sir.
So now it becomes minus plus. It becomes
Minus.
minus. Now plus minus. Plus minus, that is plus minus minus 2 minus 2. That is
Yes.
0. And here it will be. What will be?
2x. 2x square.
2x square. Understood?
Yes, sir.
In this way we can do. Okay, I'm going to write one question and you have to do it. 5x square plus 2x minus 7 and 3x square minus 5x plus 9. Subtract करो इसको ना. Subtract it from this. Do it fast. Do it fast. हो गया? Shivam, what is the answer?
Sir, 2x square plus 3x minus 2.
2x square plus 3x minus 2.
8x square minus 3x minus 2.
Okay, let's see. 3x square minus 5x
minus
plus 9.
x square plus 7x minus 16.
Means you are getting the different answer. Still you have not got. What you did, just tell me. We have to subtract this from this. So we have to write like 9. What's the second step? What is the second step? Yes, tell me, Priyam. Sakshi?
So we will
So,
change the sign.
Sir, we have to
so opposite signs.
Opposite sign. So it becomes minus or plus. Okay, let me zoom in. Now
Minus
tell me.
plus.
Here
Sir,
it will be
minus
minus.
दोनों है. सर यहाँ तो माइनस प्लस दोनों है.
Beta, we no need to see this sign. Only we have to see this one.
सर प्लस.
plus.
So it will be plus. Now here it will be
Minus.
minus. Now here it is plus.
Minus.
So it will be minus. Now we have to consider these two sign. These two sign. And this one. Now it becomes plus plus. Plus 9 plus 6, 9 plus 7. Plus 16. 18.
No sir, 16.
Plus 16. Now minus minus plus. So it becomes
Yes.
minus 7x.
Minus
Now-
7x.
And here it becomes plus minus minus. So it becomes minus 2x square.
8x square.
2 ना 8 कहाँ से हो जाएगा बच्चा?
Sir, 2
8
sir.
plus, and this one is minus. So plus minus
2.
Minus.
minus na.
Yes sir.
So one question is there. simplify simplify 5x minus 9y minus 7x plus y. Can you simplify it?
Yes, sir.
विवेकानंद, श्रेया कुमारी, शिवम कुमार झा, शिवम कुमार, सक्षम, ऋषुराज, प्रतीक राज, नवीन, कुसुम, है ना? आप लोग अगले क्लास से अलाउ नहीं होगे एंटर करने, मीन्स ये ज्वाइन करने के लिए.
Sir,
Why you all stop the videos? Tell me.
Sir, 12x minus 10y.
12x minus
10y.
Okay, let me tell it. First of all, we need to break the bracket. So what becomes? 5x minus 9y. 5x minus 9y. But a bracket means if any sign is written outside the bracket, means this sign will be multiplied with all the terms. Yes, now.
yes, sir.
So it becomes minus minus.
Plus.
का वैल्यू क्या होगा?
Huh?
y का वैल्यू?
Nothing. Why? Let's see, na. So it becomes plus 7x. Now minus plus
Minus.
minus y. Now what I have told you that like terms can be added, like terms can be subtracted.
Yes.
So just find out the like terms. Find karo which are like terms.
So 5x.
5x
Yes, or 7x.
7x.
5x and 7x. 5x
Yes,
and
sir.
7x.
And 7x.
And
Yes,
the
sir.
second like term is
Yes.
second like term is
9y.
9y.
this one. Na?
Yes, sir. 9y minus y.
So we can write down 5x plus 7x plus under the bracket. Always write here plus and write under the bracket. It becomes minus 9y and here it is minus y. So 5x plus 7x 12x
Yes, sir.
plus minus.
Plus.
So it becomes minus 10y. Now 12x plus minus
I know.
minus 10y. Now these are like term.
No, sir.
No. Okay, just tell me. Now these are like term.
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
What I have told you that first of all we have to find out the like term, and how we can find out like term. Because same variable in first class already we have discussed. The same variable and same power.
Sir,
Same
to say
variable. Same variable means what? If x is there, only x should be there. Anna? So these are not the like term. Yes, na bachcha?
yes, sir.
So
Yes.
same variable and same power. Now just tell me 3x square, 5x square, 9y, 3x cube, 4y square. Which are like term now?
3x. Sir,
3x
3x.
square, 3x square.
3x square and
No, sir. 3x. 3x square, 5x square और 9y square और 4y square.
So these are the two like term. First 3x square and 5x square, and the another one is 9y square and
9y square.
Then 4y square.
4y square.
Yes, sir.
so we can't add this. If we have to add like this, can you correct it? Sorry, can you erase it? Let's see. If I'll write 5x square plus 2y square plus 5x square minus 3y square plus 2x square. So if we have to solve this, how we can solve?
Sir,
Which terms
first,
can be added there? Which term?
like term. So like
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 term. So which are like term? Just tell me which are like term.
5x
This one,
5
one,
x
Five x
square.
this
square
three terms can be added together first. So we can write 5x square plus again 5x square plus
2x square.
pair of first like term, है ना? First like term. Now here is
2y square, 3y square.
3y square minus 3y square. Understood? Now we can solve it.
Yes, sir.
5 plus 5 plus 2, 12. It becomes 12x
12
square.
square.
And 2y minus 3y, it becomes minus y square minus y square. है ना? Now we can't write like this.
कौन कहाँ जा रहा है बड़की?
दिव्यांशु कौन है जी? Rishuraz.
Yes, sir.
What sound is coming from back side?
Sir, no, sir.
No. Don't disturb the class. Okay, let's see. So we can't write like 12x square and y square. Few students, what they used to write 12x square y square. है ना?
Yes, yes, sir.
I have seen in your examination copy. है ना? So wrong. Don't do the mistake. Leave it here. Yes, na?
Yes.
चलो एक क्वेश्चन से दे रहा हूँ. Now, do it by yourself. Simplify. Simplify. 7 minus 2x plus 5y minus x minus y. Okay. है ना? Minus 5x plus 5 minus 7. Do it. And Piyush, check it, then tell me answer.
Sir. Sir,
हाँ
5x प्लस के बाद क्या लिखे?
ये
यस सर, 5x प्लस के बाद
5x plus 3y minus 7.
यस सर.
आयुष गुप्ता, आयुष गुप्ता, नाम लेती वो क्लास लीव कर देता है यहीं पे. आयुष, आयुष, जतिन, देख लीजिए आयुष तो कितनी बार. जतिन, From next time, you will not allowed to enter the class. Those who have stopped their videos. Jatin, Shreya. Completed. Priyam is not there. Priyam,
Yes, sir.
okay, let's see. First of all,
X
we have to
minus
take
8.
small bracket. Yes, na? Let's see. It becomes 7 minus 2x plus 5y. Now, see the sign. Break the small bracket, bacha. So how we can break it? See the sign here, it is plus, na? So minus plus, it becomes minus. Minus x. Now minus minus.
Plus.
So we have to write plus y. Yes. Now we can also remove it. Right now we can remove it. No problem. So remove it. Anna. Now minus 5x minus plus
Minus.
3y. Again minus minus plus 7.
Plus.
Now what I have told you, as usual, we will write the like terms together. एक साथ हम लोग को like term को arrange करना है. So like term, we can arrange it like minus 2x first, right? Minus 2x. Write all the terms with the variables x, then y, है ना? Then constant term. So what we have to write first? Minus 2x minus x minus 5x plus 5y then y then minus 3y. Now write the constant term, that is minus 7 then again 7. Now check it that whether we have written all the terms or not. Check it.
Sir, your video is paused.
Nice. Yeah. So see, minus 2x written, minus x I have written, minus 5x also I have written, plus 5y plus y minus 3y. Now 7 and 7. Yes. Now see, minus 2x minus x and minus 5x. What becomes? These all terms are in minus, negative. So it becomes 5 plus 1, 6. 6 and 2. That is minus
8x. Yes, sir.
Plus.
Yes, yes.
It becomes 5y plus y. That is 6y minus
Yes.
3y. So 6 minus 3.
3y, 3y.
3y.
3y. Then plus 7 plus 7.
14.
So we can remove this also. We can write same here. We have to write like this: minus 8x plus 3y plus 14. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do it.
So
Do it by yourself. Do it.
what is
See the question. Let me do it. Simplify. क्या लिखा है? Simplify 7 minus under the small bracket 3x plus 2 minus again under the small bracket x plus y है ना?
yes sir?
Do it.
Minus 5x.
Completed.
No sir.
Do it fast.